didn't. I thought it was a bit odd and too convoluted, and there were too many things happening in it. And then I was told it would be about 90 seconds long. Then I thought, okay.
Prahlad is the kind of filmmaker who always has his film in his head and executes that with deadly efficiency. But this time around it was a different ballgame. We had a massive VFX shoot, hundreds of shots to take. We were working with 2 stars who had given us, I think, something like 5 or 6 hours by the end of the day, and we had anticipated that.
Regarding Preeti and Dhoni's costumes, Prahlad said that he wanted them to look very powerful. So when you think of power and if you relate it to a costume, then obviously the first thing that comes into your head is so the cape was very important, which he was pretty clear on from the beginning. And the whole outfit had to be dramatic to go with the whole ad that he was planning on doing.
तो शूटिंग चल रही है एंड काफ़ी अच्छी लग रही है प्रीति जिंटा और धोनी, और फिल्म को जिस तरह से देखा गया है लग रहा है कि उसी तरह से सामने आएगी। प्रहलाद कक्कड़ और आदित्य पूजा ने जो स्क्रिप्ट लिखी है। हमारे ब्रांड का नाम है हेल्दी एंड टेस्टी। कुछ ऐसा चाहिए था जिससे हमें हेल्थ के बारे में पता चले, और धोनी इज़ ए वेरी हेल्दी क्रिकेटर एंड टेस्टी, क्योंकि थोड़ा उसमें फ़न की बात है। प्रीति इज़ अ वेरी फन लविंग, उन्होंने मतलब अपने जो भी कैरेक्टर्स किए हैं फन लविंग कैरेक्टर्स, बबली कैरेक्टर सामने लेके आए, तो एक अच्छा बैलेंस लग रहा है।
I think we were quite clear that we wanted a male and a female celebrity. We wanted someone who would represent, the healthy part of the brand.
स्टार्ट से लेके एंड तक ये नहीं था कि कब क्या होगा कैसे होगा, बस इतना पता था कि ये चीज़ें करनी है, पर वो किस तरीके से होगी पता ही नहीं था। जैसे जैसे आते गया उसी हिसाब से हर चीज़ मूवेबल रखनी पड़ी, हर चीज़ को जैसे फ्रेम लगा उस हिसाब से एडजस्ट करना पड़ा।
He is digitally recreating the Colosseum in Rome. What he's doing is he's basically taken different angles of the Colosseum and he's cut and pasting them together to create what we call in our world a map painting.
बिकॉज ये सीजी के वजह से ही सब कुछ एकदम परफेक्ट होना ज़रूरी था, और रियलिटी में हमने एक आर्च बनाया था, तो वो आर्च और सीजी में जो बनाएंगे वो हिसाब से उसको मैच करना पड़ा।
Sachin has a slightly more challenging task because we have fire that's kind of not glowing, we have different values of green screen, we have the floor that's lit at a different exposure. So this one, a shot like this would be of a greater challenge than something like that.
मामी के ने कई फिल्म बनाए हैं, so we are very comfortable with him and we are very happy with the films what he has made for us.
Healthy and tasty, सिर्फ